Hello, I am Anshika Verma. Welcome to Delhi Gem and Jewelry Show. It's a trade show that showcases variety of jewelry and gemstone. It's a great opportunity for jewelry professionals to learn new trends, network and find new business partners. The dates are 22 February to 24th February and the timings are 10 to 6. The location of Delhi Gem and Jewelry Fair is Pragati Maidan, Bharat Mandapam. You can easily come by metro. The nearest metro station is Supreme Court, Pragati Maidan. You can also come by your own vehicle. The parking facility is available here. If you want to visit Delhi Jewelry and Gem Fair, you have to do the registration. You can do the registration digitally and manually. In that form, you have to fill the basic details, name, purpose for visit, and the contact details. You will get the cards and you have to scan it and you can go inside directly to the hall. And the hall number is 6. We are going to go inside and explore every brand's new designs, their new latest launches. Let's go! Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
May I know your name?
Yeah, I'm Aditi Agarwal and I'm the owner of Jewelco Wings Exports Private Limited. We are based in Kolkata and we produce handmade plain gold jewelry.
What kind of jewelry pieces you guys are bringing here?
So under the plain gold jewelry, we produce everything. You want bangles, you want this short necklace, chokers, a long bell set, jhumkas, tops, nut, baby bangles, nazaria, like anything we can make it. And also we do customize everything. If you want any stones, specific gemstones, we do that as well. And also we are diversifying into a lot of other things. If you want Italian chains, that also we can provide you at manufacturing rates, since we are manufacturer, so you can get it at the factory rates from us.
What's the purity of your gold?
So we are specialized for 22K and 18K.
Is there any product lines that you guys have launched today in jewelry pieces?
Yeah, we have launched cocktail rings, new designs of cocktail rings. We have new designs of chokers, bell set, short necklace. Also, we have baby bangles, which we have, specifically designed for babies. They are Manipuri. In Kolkata, we are specialized in Manipuri and Naxi bangles. All over India, you won't find these two variety anywhere else. That is Kolkata specialty.
So you guys manufacture your own jewelry or you imports from other countries?
We do manufacturing of our own and we are importing to other countries the gold jewelry made in India, Kolkata. If you guys require anything, we are like one-stop solution for all the plain gold jewelry.
How's the response you are getting in Delhi Gem Expo? This is the world's best expo that happens every year.
Yeah. So as exhibitors, we are exhibiting all over India. So with this company, this is our second time we are exhibiting. The first time was great, so we are here for the second time and the response is pretty good. We are getting quite good response with our products and we are getting a lot of customers. Let's see how it goes. Like, we have one more day to go and we are going for it.
If anyone wants to start their business in jewelry category, you can come to the stall and inquire about it. Thank you so much, ma'am, for telling us about your brand, telling about your new ranges. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
May I know your name?
Paresh Davitya.
So what your brand is known about what?
My brand is known about lab-grown diamonds and jewelry. Basically, it's the name of the company is Elitor, presented by Shakti Gems.
What kind of jewelry items you guys are bringing here?
Yes, you can see right over there. Those are the stuffs over there. It's called Floral Collection. Right now, we are doing with that. And on Valentine Days, we have also launched whole Valentine collection made in hard diamond. Right now we are bringing all categories of items, whether it's ring, bracelet or necklace, anything you want, we make it possible in lab-grown diamond.
So you guys manufacture your diamonds yourself or you import from other countries?
Nah, we manufacture it by ourselves.
Yourselves.
Yeah.
So in like I am the customer. If I
Alright.
want to check the authenticity of the diamonds, how can I check that diamonds is real or not?
Well, that no one can check it with the naked eyes,
Yeah.
but you can surely do it with the machine. If customer wants certificate, we provide them with certificate.
You can give them the certificate.
Yes, 100%.
So you guys deal only in wholesale or also in the retail market too?
Right now, our only target is wholesale, but we are planning to come in retail as well.
How's the response you are getting in this exhibition?
Very well, very well. Actually, the thing that is happening over here is the people who are not in this segment are trying to come in this segment. It's only possible in lab-grown diamonds. I can guarantee you that.
Do you have any website or IG page that person can, the audience can contact you?
Yes, we have our Instagram page, Elitor Jewels. You can contact us over there, and you'll also be able to see our other jewelries over there.
If you guys want to start your own business, you guys can contact them. And I will be giving the link of website in the description box. So don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much, sir, for telling us
Thank
about
you,
your
ma'am.
brand.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hello, sir.
Hello, very good evening.
May I know your name?
My name is Naman Agrawal.
For what purpose you are here?
So basically, I'm a jeweler from Mumbai. So I've been to this exhibition. I've heard from many people on newspaper, also Instagram, Facebook about this exhibition. So I decided to visit it, and I was here at Mira Jewelry. So I really love their designs, their finishing, and the pricing too. So
How
I'm
was your
giving them the order.
experience?
Experience was very good. There are many varieties, and I'm really looking for basically this exhibition to expand more by next year.
So what would you like to say our audience why they should visit this expo?
One should visit the expo for all the categories and all the varieties. As in, a jeweler requires everything. A retail jeweler basically requires everything. As in gold jewelry, diamond jewelry. Even they have a tool section. Whatever is required for a jewelry, for a piece of jewelry, from A to Z, everything is present here.
You should visit this expo because this expo you can explore a lot of brands, explore their new designs, new categories.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Hello, sir.
Hello,
May I know your name?
my name is Saurav Jain.
May I know what your brand is all about?
My brand is basically belongs to the packaging products, right? Like the bags, all kind of boxes, which our main customers are the jewelers who purchase these products, and then after that, after selling the jewelry, they put these jewelries in these kinds of boxes and then provide to the customer. It basically belongs to that.
What kind of items you guys are here showcasing today?
We are having the boxes which are customized to provide to the jewelers according to their sizes, according to their quantity, and after that we are having bags, we are having purses, we are having everything. We are having show window display, packaging boxes, tray display, stock boxes, display tray, counter display, everything. In this exhibition, we had launched these kinds of boxes which are provided to the customer. These are the premium range boxes.
So, as per sir said, these guys only deal in wholesale. If you want to start your business, this is the best brand in packaging sector. You
Yes.
guys can contact them, and we will give the website in the description box. You can check it out. So don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.
Thank you. Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
May I know your name?
गैफी गर्ग में। मैम हमारा ब्रांड ब्राइडल ज्वेलरी के लिए फेमस है। हम लोग एंटीक ज्वेलरी के होलसेलर्स हैं और हमारी यूएसपी है लाइट वेट में बड़ा सामान बनाना।
How purity of gold can be checked?
मैम गवर्नमेंट के HUID सेंटर्स हैं, तो वहाँ पे HUID पास होता है, तो वहाँ पे सारा सामान जाता है और वहाँ पे HUID पास हो जाता है। तो यही सिस्टम है, पूरा वर्ल्ड वाइड यही सिस्टम है।
So you guys manufacture yourself, or is there any importer that you exports your jewelry pieces from there?
नहीं मैम, हम लोग खुद सामान मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं और हम लोग एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं डोमेस्टिक मार्केट में एज वेल एज, और फिर उसको तो हम UK भी माल दे रहे हैं, अभी US भी दे रहे हैं और कनाडा भी दे रहे हैं, और अभी रिसेंटली हमने ऑस्ट्रेलिया भी इसमें ऐड किया है।
So if anyone wants to buy your jewelry pieces,
जी।
so you guys only deal in wholesale or also in retail?
नहीं मैम, ओनली होलसेल, स्ट्रिक्टली होलसेल,
Strictly wholesale.
जी।
So what is the minimum order quantity?
नो मिनिमम ऑर्डर। अगर आपको एक पीस पसंद है तो एक लेके जाओ, अगर आपको 10 पसंद है 10 लेके जाओ, ऐसा कोई बाउंडेशन नहीं।
How's the response you are getting in this
मैम,
exhibition?
बहुत अच्छा है। हम लोग इनसे 2017 से जुड़े हुए हैं, तो हमें तो अच्छा ही मिल रहा है जी, हमारे लिए अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है।
Sir, is there any website or IG page if anyone wants to contact you so they can buy your pieces?
मैम हमारा
jewelry
वेबसाइट भी है veerajewellers.in, और इंस्टाग्राम पे भी पेज है वीरा ज्वेलर्स के नाम पे, तो आप
As-
उसको चेक कर सकते हैं।
As sir said, they have specialization in bridal jewelry and they have just launched the bridal jewelry new collection. If you want to, start your business in the jewelry collection, especially in the bridal jewelry, you can come to, their stalls or also visit their website. I will give the link in the description box and don't forget to check it out. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Today I have shown you brands new latest launches in jewelry sector. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. We will meet you in the next video.